okay, so final is 14 minus initial is 13. It should be 1 mole. But you got 2 in class?
Yeah.
Is that what he did or what your group
Yeah,
was
that's
doing?
what we did was the 10 minus the 12 because you only want the gases.
Oh. Okay, sorry. Okay, so naphthalene is solid.
Naphthalene is a solid and H2O is a liquid.
Oh, okay, sorry. These are gas. Sorry about that. Okay, so now if we just look at the gases, because that's what's really influencing or playing into this whole thing. How many moles do you have on this side?
You have 10.
10, so and this side,
You'd have 12.
okay, so yeah, you're right. So you have
2.
minus 2 moles. Sorry.
Okay. Then you times that by 0.0821 liter atmospheres over mole Kelvin.
Okay, so we know Kelvin cancels,
Moles cancel.
moles cancel. We're gonna end up with units of liter atmospheres. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we know. Well, we know work equals negative P delta V, which it would have units of liters times atmospheres. So then work equals.
Negative.
So you have a negative times a negative, right?
Yeah.
So really it's.
Would give you 48.9316.
9.3 what?
16. That doesn't seem right. Oh. Right. You wrote up that the constant is different.
Oh.
So the constant for this one is 8.314,
Yeah, okay.
right?
Yeah. And it's joules per mole Kelvin, right?
Might be, So that's just a new constant we have to memorize.
Yeah, there's a conversion factor between there's a conversion factor between these. Did he give it to you? Did you talk about it?
Not yet.
These are the same number, but expressed differently. Oh, we have the conversion factor. You already said that 101.3 joules equals 1 liter atmosphere, right? So you should be able to say, oh man, I'm gonna sneeze. You should be able to say what would you have to times this by if we were converting?
Is that, you times it by the 101.3, no, 1 over,
So what are
or no.
what units do we want to end up
We want to
with?
end up with joules over moles, Kelvin.
Okay.
So joules there, moles over there.
Okay, so now do I put 101.3 here?
It'll be on the joule.
Good. Okay, so now
Wait. That would be over liter atmosphere.
did I
Right.
don't I Google that for me? Because I'm pretty sure the units are joules per mole Kelvin, but
Oh, yeah. But the conversion we had up there is that 101.3 would
sorry.
equal that.
Okay,
And then we'd have to
yeah, well,
give us joules over moles Kelvin.
I am really sorry. I've been at my internship all day and I might
Been one of those
just
days.
tired. Yeah, my internship wears me out. Okay, so these units will cancel, right?
Mhm.
You times this by 101.3 and you're gonna get that, right? Don't worry about it.
It gave me 8.3126.
So-
313.
I think, you know, this is rounded, right? This has
Yeah.
more sig figs than what we really
Yeah,
show.
so if it would have been the full.
Yeah. So that,
Okay.
they're the
That's
same
how they
number,
did
different
that.
units.
Okay.
It's, for me, it's easier to know that than to say, it's 8.314, blah, 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 and 0.0821, blah, blah, blah. If I know it's the same number, all I do is convert with this conversion factor.
You can
That's
do
it. It's
Either
the
way.
same idea of just knowing this and learning how to manipulate it. Instead of every time you get a new equation, it's like, oh no, it's a new equation. It's not. It's the same thing. So, is there more with that one you want to look at?
No, that was good.